Meaning of gunny.
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 Gunny. The term gunny typically refers to a coarse, heavy fabric made from jute fibers. The fabric is often used to create sacks or bags for holding goods such as grains or produce. Gunny sacks are known for their durability and strength, making them a popular choice for shipping and storage in many industries. In addition to its practical applications, gunny fabric has also been used in craft projects and home decor. Overall, the term gunny is closely associated with this versatile and useful material.